Good morning, everybody. It's another day. We are on our way to class. We have a Thai culture class. It's day 5. And we have another Thai language class where we had an assignment to do, or homework. We had to say something positive and something negative in Thai, like something easy, something simple, like I'm gonna say I like mangoes, which I cannot now remember what it is, but I've written it down. So we're gonna go do that, and then we have a Thai cooking class where we're gonna use the ingredients that we bought in the market yesterday. So yes, let's go do it.
Okay, so go out there, make the most of it, and enjoy yourself. Okay? Thank you guys.
Come here, some can go there.
And like compared to your breakfast?
Way less raw egg.
Explain yourself, Finn.
Okay. So I ordered some shirts, some custom-made tailored shirts on Sunday, and they were promised to get to the hotel at 10:30 that night. And here we are on Thursday, 5 days later. I'm just receiving it.
So why are you opening it right now?
Because I was asked to.
By who?
By the lovely girlfriend.
Looks almost exactly like what you're wearing right now. That was delicious.
Typical we made.
Something.
Oh, nice.
And pad thai. It was pad thai, which is what I really like.
And then it's a salad with papaya.
Green papaya and chili.
Something Thai.
Oh, we don't have to make it with chili.
Classes.
Anyway, we just did that now. And so now what's next is more language. I like language classes.
Me too.
It's gonna be fun.
Let's go.
How are you? I'm good. I'm okay, not too bad. And I'm not feeling well. What about you? Yourself? Okay.
𝗕𝗬𝗥𝗢𝗡.
Inshallah.
Very good, thank you. Teach me.
See you tomorrow.
So that is Pe, our Thai teacher, who's ditching us. She's ditching us. Tell everyone why she's ditching us.
She doesn't love us. No, what?
She's only got one more class with us.
Not like serious.
Yes, I thought there was going to be classes like the whole time.
I thought we were going to be fluent.
And I really enjoy the Thai classes, but no more. There's only one left. But give us some Thai phrases.
Sawadika. Sabaydi. Sabadi mai.
Yindi tidai roisak. Yeah.
Bye Gona.
I needed to teach myself all that jargon and English in a really short space of time.
We just had our first teaching class. It was more like an introduction type situation.
Yeah.
But wow, I always do that.
Yeah,
It's
oh, I can see.
Tammy wants some coffee from Wagging Tails. Did I point? Is that the sign? I can't really see. The screen was skewed, I couldn't see. We have to write our
Negative thing on it.
our blockages.
I was like not paying attention the whole last 20 minutes. I don't even know what we have to wear tomorrow. But we have to cover our knees and our shoulders. I thought I heard no need to worry about to cover your knees or something like that. So like
I was about to say that we were learning stuff about each other, but clearly someone wasn't listening.
not paying attention. She didn't care about us.
She didn't care about us at all, and Tammy gave the whole speech.
I listened to all of that, but like, and I was like,
Look at that.
I just gotta
We're gonna go feed the dogs, stray dogs, just on the DL, and then we're gonna go get food, and then we have to come back and do a lot of homework. The whole blockages thing, that's we've got pieces of wood that we need to write down, like anxieties, fear, apprehension, all of that type of stuff. Not entirely sure why, but we have to bring it tomorrow. Speak a little bit louder.
We just got some food from the street vendors. It looks really delicious.
We got
snacks. I don't know.
this.
Looks very good and yummy.
We will tell you what it is if we knew.
And we kind of ordered it in Thai, which is very exciting.
It was very cool.
I enjoyed it. So now we are walking home because we got to eat and do our homework and then go to bed. So we're gonna cross the road now, so I'm gonna say goodbye.
Look at us, natural road crosses.
Nailed it.
What's crab in Thai?
What is crab?
Boo.
Is it? Oh, it's boo.
Boo.
I thought of blah.
Blah.
That's
It's
a fish. And this is sort of a fish.
Okay, yeah, fair
So I'm
enough.
right.
No.
I'm right.
Not really.
Whatever. South Africans.
Anyway,
South African.
thank you for watching our video. If you enjoyed it, please
Give it a thumbs up.
And a subscribe like I did.
Ah, nice.
She did. She also gave us a shout out on her Instagram, and
Go check it out. H2 Goose.
and she got family members to subscribe, and
basically.
you guys should
I'm a
do something the
benefit
same.
for you guys.
This is why we keep her around, really.
We're best friends.